I don't know if y'all can see this, but I'm barbecuing chicken on the grill. It's getting dark. I bought a little grill. There's my car. Sun's going down though. It took me a while to figure out how to put this little thing together. I did it wrong. Let's take it all apart. The legs, anyhow. I was gonna cook that lamb on there last night, but I cooked chicken. I'm cooking chicken on it. I like to do this. I like to cook out. I like to smell. It don't smell like smoke. I can't smell as good as I used to. But there's the chicken. Turn it over in a little bit. Birds are chirping. It's the beginning of the next day of 23rd. of April 2024.